Heading now to Bichara Cinema here in Legazpi City. Hi there guys and gals, welcome to my day 3 here in San Roque, Legazpi City, my hometown. We're gonna watch a movie, Catching Up, a 7 o'clock last full show, together with my family here. Come over here guys and gals, join us on our movie night. Turning right. So how many more minutes guys and girls? I think we only have 12 more minutes. Bye for now.